can get useful insights into your appointments and the activity of the appointments as well in the activity appointment report. Timely has a range of different reports that help you find out more about your appointments and bookings. As with all of our reports, these appointment-based reports can be printed as well as exported. In Appointment Report, you can drill down to the day sheet, appointment schedule, cancelled reports, incomplete appointments, no-show appointments, penciled in appointments, as well as declined appointments. Now, it's important to note that these reports are based on the details of appointments that are booked in the calendar. So if the price of a service is changed when the invoice is raised, or you have sold additional services to a customer, these won't be reflected in the appointment reports. So the day sheet report shows a list of bookings for all of the date range selected. Now, this can be filtered by staff or location, and each booking is showing individually, and you can also choose to include appointment notes as well. The appointment schedule report gives you a full list of all of your appointments for a selected time period. Now, this includes important customer information and details of the appointment and some rebooking and retention information. You can also view the invoice associated with the appointment by clicking on the link in the invoiced column. Bookings that are more than one service will be grouped together in the report. You can run a cancelled appointment report for the selected time period to view a list of all of the cancelled appointments, which include the date cancelled, as well as the cancellation reason. You will also see a summary of the cancellation reasons at the top. Now, the incomplete appointments report lets you view appointments that have not been marked as completed. This report is great for finding missing appointments to tick off at the end of the day. And you can also view a list of appointments where the customer didn't show. Oh, those annoying no-shows, we all hate them. And this includes a count of the numbers of times that specific customer has failed to no-show. Might be time to block that client. Again, you will notice Timely has a few more appointment reports to explore. However, I've gone through those important ones that you'll use on a regular basis.